you're experiencing crashes while playing FIFA 24, there are several steps you can take to resolve the issue. Follow this easy guide to enhance your gaming experience. Step 1. Update your game. Make sure that FIFA 24 is updated to the latest version. Developers often release patches that fix bugs and improve stability. Check for updates through your gaming platform and install them. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics drivers are up to date. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers. Updated drivers can improve performance and reduce crashes. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're playing on a platform like Steam or Origin, use the built-in feature to verify the integrity of game files. This process checks for missing or corrupted files and replaces them, which can help resolve crashing issues. Step 4. Adjust graphics settings. Lowering the graphics settings in FIFA 24 can help reduce the strain on your system. Access the game settings and adjust options like resolution, texture quality, and shadows to see if this improves stability. Step 5. Check system requirements. Ensure that your computer meets the minimum system requirements for FIFA 24. If your hardware is below the recommended specifications, consider upgrading your components for a smoother gaming experience. By following these steps, you should be able to enhance your gameplay and reduce crashing issues in FIFA 24. Enjoy your gaming!